Here's what people are saying about Reliable's Comfort as a Service program.
Our heating and air system had gone down, and we started getting quotes. So we called Reliable. We called a couple other people too. Reliable came out, made an appointment with us. John Zent came out, good guy, and came to us, went through the whole house. We needed 2 systems in the house. They went upstairs, went downstairs, and gave us a quote. So what happened then was that we had other people come out. Actually, we had one other crew come out, and I had to be away that day. My wife was there, and they wouldn't even talk to her. Wouldn't even talk to her. And so she came back to me and said, I like the people at Reliable. In the years past, we would have never done a lease. And then we started looking at it, started thinking about it, and what John presented to us was, you think about it, I don't have to worry about air conditioning or heating anymore. You know, it's just something that it's out of sight, out of mind. And when the new systems come out, we can upgrade to those. So that's why we decided, because it was an affordable option, and also it's something I don't have to think about. And the less you have to think about, the less you have to bother with, the better it is. Install crew was great. I mean, they sent 2 crews out, and I mean, it was funny because they came in, they put paper down everywhere. I mean, explained everything. And what's wild about it is the end of it, they were proud of their work. They wanted me to see every little bit of what they did. They did a great job, and it's just, I thought it was going to take forever to get it in and out. Those guys were in and out pretty quick, and I mean, everything ran just fine from there on out. So it was good. Yeah, we didn't have a maintenance plan before, and we have a maintenance plan now, which I'm glad about, because you think about it, the filters and all that, I always thought, I'll take care of that. And now I don't have to think about it. It's on a schedule. And the thing is, what I found out is I put down dates on the the heater and all. When I changed out the filters, I looked at the filter change out. The last time I did it was about 2-3 years ago, because you never remember those kind of things. Now I don't have to. My wife loves it, because pretty much turn it on, walk away, and they have the different times of the day you can set it up for. So when we're away from the house, the temperature can go ahead and go down a little bit. When we get home, it's already cool. So that's what we like about it.